Today we're looking at a very unique little device, the Huawei E5220 mobile Wi-Fi router. And what this device does is let you insert a data-enabled SIM card and create a Wi-Fi network for your devices to use. This is very useful for people who travel a lot or for people in countries where fixed line internet access isn't as easily available. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the device and then I'll show you how to set it up. Now the unit we're testing today is an unlocked quad-band version which will work with almost any GSM mobile carrier anywhere in the world. This device will work with 2G and 3G network speeds but does not currently support 4G speeds. On the outside, it's this almost rectangular device with rounded corners that's made entirely from plastic. There's a power button and a few electronic indicators on the front face. I'll tell you more about these indicators and how to power the device up in a minute. On the front right edge, there's a micro USB port to charge and connect the device, and there's pretty much nothing else that's of much interest on the outside. Now in order to insert your data SIM card, you'll need to pry open the rear cover. There's a little slot you can use to pry this open. Once the cover is off, you'll notice that on the rear face of the cover are some very useful pieces of information. The device's network name and very importantly, the password which you will need in order to connect to this device. And under the cover is the device's battery, and to the right of that is the reset switch. Let's gently pull the battery out, and now you can see a SIM card slot where you'll insert your full-size SIM card. Let's put our battery back in and snap the cover back into place. Before you turn the device on for the first time, remember to charge the battery. You can do this using the included micro USB cable or a cell phone's micro USB wall charger. The device's battery indicator light blinks green when it's being charged and turns solid green when fully charged. And once your unit is charged up, you can go ahead and turn it on by pressing down on the power button for a few seconds. It boots up for a few seconds and all the indicators should light up solid green to indicate that the cell phone network, Wi-Fi signal, and battery are functioning properly. All the lights except the battery indicator will then turn off. The battery indicator will keep blinking green and will eventually blink red when the device is about to run out of power. To check the status of all your other indicator lights, press the power button once and you can see them all. Now let's connect to a device. Connecting via Wi-Fi to any device is almost the same. We're going to show you with a Windows PC, but the procedure is pretty much the same for a Mac, phone, or tablet. Look for your wireless network manager and you should see a network called Huawei E5220. Click on the network and connect to it. It will ask you for a network password. Now the password is what we had looked at earlier. It's located on the rear surface of the cover of your device. This password is unique for each unit, so look for your password and enter it. And your device will now connect to the Wi-Fi network and you should be able to browse the internet. However, for some cellular networks which the device will not connect to automatically, you'll have to do a bit of manual setup. Let me show you how. Open a web browser. You can use any browser you like, Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. Open a new tab and type in 192.168.1 and hit enter. Doing this opens up the router's settings interface, and what you want to do is click on the settings tab, and now the system prompts you to enter a username and password. Both the username and password are admin, and hit enter, and now you should see a page that looks like this one. Now click on the profile management tab under the dial-up menu on the left. This opens up a little dialog box which requests some information. It asks for the profile name, which can be any name you'd like to call it. I'll just call it data SIM for now. The other pieces of information, the username, the password, and APN are specific to your network. You can either get these through a Google search or by contacting your network provider. Our network doesn't need a username or password but requires an APN, but that varies from network to network. And to enter the APN, we toggle the APN settings to static and enter the APN, and then hit save. And now when you go back to the home page of the interface, you can see that your SIM card is connected and ready to use. We're going to check ours by doing a simple Google search for the Huawei E5220, and as you can see, the device is working and connected to the internet. So should you buy this device? Well, if you're a person who travels a lot or is in a country with low fixed line internet access, the device is indispensable. It's a very well-built device that you can use to connect up to 10 Wi-Fi enabled devices simultaneously and provides a reliable signal. It also uses the SIM card directly and is very easy to setup. So overall, a well-designed product. So if you're looking to buy this device, the link to it is in the description below. If you found this review useful, please hit like and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching.